Hello all, welcome to pericyclic reactions part 8. In this we will study about the electrocyclic reactions. We'll take various examples from NET exam. This question, it is from CSIR NET exam. The number of pi electron participating and the pericyclic mode in the following reactions are. This is the reaction. Okay, so the condition that is given, it is heat. Okay, very important factor. Heat means it will be thermal condition, that is the ground state HOMO that we have to check for. Now another important information is the hydrogen over here, they are cis to each other. Okay, the hydrogen over here, they are cis to each other. The hydrogen, if you are drawing it here, they are trans. See, the trans hydrogen, always remember, trans hydrogen, they can be cis only when they undergo disrotatory motion. Very important information. The trans hydrogen, they can be cis to each other only when they undergo disrotatory motion. So option A and C gets crossed out. So trans hydrogen, cis, this information, it helps us to prove that it is a disrotatory motion. So option B or D, we have to check for it. In the case of 135 hexatriene, okay, the ground state, the thermal condition, this is the HOMO. If you are observing the end carbon, the positive phases, they are on top. So if I draw 135 hexatriene in this part, the hydrogens were trans to this part. This hydrogen, it is trans to this part, as I mentioned it in the question. Another piece of information, it is to bring it to the cis part, we need a disrotatory motion. So the next part, it is carbon, N carbon, this positive phase here, positive phase here. If I go for a disrotatory motion, if I have a disrotatory motion, this part comes here and this part falls here, and the positive phases, they come in contact to each other. The hydrogen, as it moves up, as shown in the previous video, if you have not seen the previous video, please check the link over here. This hydrogen, it goes on top. The hydrogen, they come in cis part. You can draw the other part as well. Okay, so the hydrogen comes in cis. So what is the answer? 6 pi electron, and the motion was disrotatory. Okay, the motion was disrotatory. If we get back to the question, so the answer, it is D, 6 and disrot. What about the 4 and disrot motion? We'll check. For 1,3-butadiene case, this is the molecular orbital, and 4 electrons that we have to distribute, it is 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Since we are checking for heat condition, it is ground state HOMO that we have to check. So this is the HOMO that we are looking for. What are the phases of the end carbon? It is this carbon, it is on top phase, positive phase is on top, the positive phase, and the end carbon, it is below. So if I draw 1,3-butadiene, the hydrogens trans, as it was shown in the question. Now if we want to draw the lobes in this case, positive phase here, it is on top, this positive phase, it is below. To bring them into the positive phase in this contact, we have a clockwise direction, and this also should go clockwise direction, because once and both are clockwise, so it will be Conrod motion. So this is clockwise, this will bring this part here. If you bring the clockwise direction here, this positive phase comes here, and then we have a positive phase here, this will form the bond. But if you check here, 4, it is disrot, but there we were getting Conrod motion, so this is not the case.